أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
ولا تلبسوا الحق بالباطل وتكتموا الحق وأنتم تعلمون.
Remember, Allah already told us, يُضِلُّ بِهِ كَثِيرًا. He will misguide with it many. So when people already have a preconceived agenda, a notion, they want to push a certain idea, they can actually use the Qur'an. They can use the Sunnah to actually come up with false conclusions.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all will be fine, inshallah. Today my topic is what is life and why is life. We will talk some minute, we will listen some minute about this. And if you agree with me, then I will hope that you will like my video and will subscribe my channel. And if you are not agree with me, you will correct me, you will comment me, you may criticize me. In my opinion, it will make me correct. So let's start. First of all, I want to say that when we born, we say that this is my date of birth. But in my opinion, maybe wrong, maybe I am wrong. I will say I have belief that my date of birth is only that day, that date, that month, that year when I become able to decide something. That day, that date, month, year is my date of birth. Before that is not like a life. So I want to say I'm not very good in English. You have to accept my apologize about the weak English. But I want to say a point of view. And I thought that with weak English I also can transmit my weak language but strong message. I believe that. So first point I want to say, my friends, that if we are living without a decision power, it is not a life. It is my first point. Now secondly, we have to decide all the life, all the needs, all the things of this life in this universe. But most important is, in my opinion, what is the most important thing what we have to decide? That is truth and false. Okay? So we must have to decide truth as a truth, wrong as a wrong, true as a true. And next point is that have we decided to follow truth only? In my opinion, if yes, then we are human being. If no, then we are just like human being, but actually we are not human being. Why? Because we are not accepting truth. So in all cases we have to accept only truth. For this purpose we must make a standard to accept things, to reject things. In this universe, everything we may reject, we may accept for ourselves. And it must be on a standard. It is not without logic. We must have a logic to accept anything or reject anything. So, after this discussion, after these some points, I want to say that we have to accept God. We must know why we accept God, why I believe in one God. I must know with reason, with logic, that I have a God and my God is only one. We must have a reason, we must have a logic. After that, our life is in a true way. Secondly, when we will accept God and that God is one, after this acceptance, our most important duty is to become close to our God. How? How it is possible? It will not be taught by other, including me and my this audio and video. We must have decide ourselves that how we will connect to our God and how this connectivity will be continue in our life, in every second of our life. It is totally our decision, separately, your decision, my decision, that how I will connect with my God, how this connectivity will continue forever. Death is just a point in our life, but if we have connectivity with our God, that point of death not matter. So I want to say that if we want to achieve this thing, we must have a vision, we must have an aim of life, we must have a purpose of life, we must have a reason to live. So today is my message that we must have a decision power first. Second, with this decision power, we must accept truth as a truth. And with these two things, we have to accept our God with reason, with logic, and we have to become close to our God. This is the conclusion of my today's video. In the next video, we will discuss that how a vision to achieve this target, we will get a vision, how we will create, how we will able to have a vision to achieve these all. In the next video, inshallah, we will discuss about this. So if you are agree with my point of view, you may like this video and also give some comments. You may ask any question about this video, and if you think that this video is not enough or incomplete, you may criticize. I will accept your criticize. I will try to improve myself. So for now, goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.